The Larson Electronics UV Air Sanitizer for Inline Fan continuously cleans moving air in ducts and fan systems. The UV light in this system can kill 99% of viruses, bacteria, mold, and spores. This UV system is made out of powder-coated aluminum and carries a NEMA 3R rating for use in both indoor and outdoor locations. This device is suitable for 8-inch ducts. This unit is a powerful sanitation solution for cleaning circulating air from inside ducts connected to inline fans. The lights emit a flood beam pattern and offer 360 degrees of coverage and an 8,000-hour lifespan. Suitable for cleaning both intake and exhaust air, this UV germicidal system is compatible with 8-inch ducts and up to 750 CFM. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.